Hello and welcome to the Happy Homemaker. Let's make apple crisp. Here is the list of ingredients. And now let's get started. Let's start off by peeling, coring, and slicing our apples. I slice them about 1/4 of an inch thick, and then I cut them into thirds. And we're going to want 4 cups of sliced apples in total. And now let's add in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You don't have to use freshly squeezed lemon juice, that's just what I'm using. And then add in your water and mix that together. Now add in your sugar, add in your cinnamon and your vanilla, and mix it all together. And now just transfer that to a 9x9 pan. Then set it aside. And now in a bowl, we're just going to be adding in our quick oats, our flour, our brown sugar, salt, and cinnamon, and then just whisk that all together. And once that's mixed, add in the butter and mix that all together. And now add that evenly across the apples. And we're going to be baking that at 375 for 45 minutes or until the top is golden brown. Just like that. And that's what it looks like when it's all finished. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you want to see more recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Happy Homemaker. Thanks for watching. Bye!